Good morning to all. Welcome back again in online class. This is the video of your computer class, chapter 2, part 2. In the previous part, that is part 1, in which we discuss about the GUI operating system, that means graphical user interface operating system, in which we see about that Microsoft company, who founded that Microsoft company, and operating system. Okay, in this class we're talking about the function of an operating system. So all of you open your book, page number 15. Here is a topic heading that function of an operating system. That means what is the function of operating system in a computer or in a laptop. You see that. So the first function is about the file management and secondary storage management. That means what is the management of file and what is the management of memory. It also see by the operating system. Second one, input and output management. That means what type of input give to the operating system and output to the operating system. So this is another function of an operating system. Third one, program execution. That means complete your program. That means user completed the program. We discuss about in detail. The fourth function, main memory allocation. In the previous chapter, we discussed about the main memory. That means primary memory management. It also is a part of the function of operating system. And the fifth, resource allocator. The resource, that means what type of data you used. You can see that by the operating system that what type of data uses. Got it? Okay. So you all know about that operating system is the main software by which you can use your computer, you can use your laptop. Without operating system, we cannot use our computer and laptops. So this is very important point. So see that according to the book, according to your book. So an operating system is the most essential software of the computer system that we discussed earlier, that it is an important essential software of the computer system. That means without the help of operating system, you cannot use your laptop or computer. So the important function of operating system are given. The first one is file management and secondary storage management. What is in that? We save our work. That means what type of work you do in your computer, in your laptop, on the computer in different file and folders. That means you can use different type of file like .jpg, .txt, .pdf. What type of file you can use, what type of folder you are use. That means you are use the folder of computer, you are use the folder of science. So this is about. It is the operating system that enable us to create and manage all the files and folder used for storing information. That means it is the work of operating system. That means all such type of things. The main responsible for that is operating system. Operating system operates that all this type of things. That means you create any type of file, you create any type of folder, you save any type of file in a folder. That means it can be used with the help of your operating system. Without the help of operating system, you cannot do any type of work. Okay. Second point, input and output management. You all know about, aware about that what is the meaning of input and what is the meaning of output. And also you know about that what are the example of input devices and what are the example of output devices. Now see that what is the function of that in the part of operating system, like input and output management. It provide an environment in which hardware component, that means those type of component which can use by the help of touch by your hands, those type of component, those we can touch it. So these are called hardware, such as mouse, keyboard and printer are attached to a computer are used in the best possible manner. You all aware about that? Mouse are attached in your computer system. Keyboard are also attached. Printer are also attached. So, what is the use of mouse in your computer system? You know about that. What is the use of keyboard? You also aware about that. And what is the use of printer? You also aware about that. So, if you think about that, what type of things are running behind the computer system? I will give you one example on it. You have a image on your laptop. Got it? You open that image, and after that you right click, or there are so many options are given on that. You select the print icon, okay, or right click, you also get the print option, and after print option you click. When the printer attached to the computer, it's easily converted into the image on your paper. So how this work happen? You cannot understand. So these work be happen in the background effect. That means those type of thing which cannot seen of our naked eyes is called background things, and those type of thing which are seen with your naked eyes is called front end. So some types of application was working on background. That means its performance, its working you cannot see, but you get the result in a good way. Okay, so this is the use of application. This is the use of operating system in your computer. Third one, program execution. What is the meaning of program execution? You all know about the meaning of execute. That means you complete your program. What type of program? Not aware about that. But when you execute the program, it is possible for executing various programs such as users program or system program. When you execute our program, you can save your file, your data in the memory. Got it? So, in deeply about the program execution, suppose you open a MS Paint and you draw a picture. How you open that, how you draw all this thing, how to save and close the file. So this is execution of your program to do that work, and after completing work you can execute it. Okay, so this is the example of your work, but program is another form which we discuss in the next part. Now next, main memory management. The program to be executed is loaded in main memory or primary memory. I have already told that to all of you. In the first chapter we discussed about that primary memory. Operating system keeps track of memory usage. That means operating system is responsible to what is the use of primary memory. Okay, decided which process to be loaded into the main memory when a space is available. That means it's decided by the operating system. Suppose I will give you another example on that. Suppose you have a mobile phone, got it, and you download some application, and you have so many applications in your mobile. After that, you download one application and the mobile operating system has you warning you that space not available. Got it? But you can say that my mobile is about 128 GB. Why is not space available? Because this is the part of the operating system. So these applications are stored in the primary memory. So operating system does not allow this application, because if they allow this of application, then operating system not working properly. Suppose if you have delete some application and after that you download this application, after that a primary memory have a small space are empty, then your problem is that your mobile will be hang. Why? Because operating system cannot do our work in easy way. Got it? So when a space is available, allocate and deallocates memory space as needed. Next, resource allocator. A computer system has many resources. That means so many resources of computer system, such as, like example, CPU time, memory space, and various input and output devices. That means it has so many resources of operating system. That is operating system connected with the CPU. That means what type of information given to CPU, and CPU have sent the information to the user, to the operating system. Then after that it execute the program. So this is the resource allocator. How operating system is used when you connect with the CPU. Memory space, what type of space available in that, various input or output devices. That means it's connected to the input or output devices such as mouse, printer, etc. The operating system provide these resources to a specific program and application as when required. That means when you require this type of application, then operating system want that application. But before that, it does not like any type of unused application in the operating system. If you download some application, we have any type of virus, operating system allow, and you have a message, that a highlighted message on your screen, that it's warning message on your screen of your computer. That means it's giving the alert that this application damage your all types of data. Got it? So these are the function of operating system. Got it? So read these, the 5 types of function of operating system, and after that we discuss about that CUI and GUI operating system. What is the use of that? What is the function of that? I hope you all understand about that. When you see the video, read the topic from book and clear your doubt in the comment box. So thank you. Goodbye.